Hi, my name is Fulton Abraham Sanchez. I'm the CPA of FAST CPA Consultants, and today we're going to talk about FBAR for offshore accounts. For U.S. citizens who have offshore accounts, they need to report this to the U.S. Treasury. That is the basic principle of having an offshore account. If the account is over $10,000 at any time of the year, you have to report to the U.S. Treasury, or pay a penalty for $10,000. So better to play safe and report this to the U.S. Treasury. This is not with your tax return, it's a separate report, but you have to report this. And you have to do that not only with your personal accounts offshore, but also if you have a company, an offshore company, and you have an account there and you sign, even though that is not your money, you have to report that also to the U.S. Treasury in the FBAR report. Now remember, $10,000 penalty per account if you do not report this. The deadline for this is April 15th, so this goes with your tax return deadline as well. If you have an offshore company, after the last tax reform with President Trump, the obligation now is that you have to report, not only report the belongings of the company, the income, expenses, assets, and liabilities, you also need to pay taxes on profits. And this is something that many people are not aware of. You have to report that, you do not only have to report the offshore companies or any other foreign company that you have in your U.S. Personal tax return. If you are owner of a company with a 10% or more, if you own 10% or more of the stock of the company, you have to report it on your U.S. Personal tax return. And in addition to that, you have to pay taxes on the profits, even though you have not received those profits, dividends or any way of receiving that, you have to pay taxes. If you do not do this, and you are just not reporting and separating your the reporting of your taxes, foreign taxes, there is a program for this. If you were not aware that this was an obligation, you can apply for a streamlined program with the IRS and file the last 3 years of tax return and 6 years of FBAR, and the IRS will accept your application, and you will be clean, you will be fine. But remember, either you have a bank account with over $10,000 in a foreign country, or you have offshore company with foreign assets and liabilities. You have to pay taxes on that and report that on your income tax return and incorporate the profits of that company into your return. So this is something that many people are not aware of, but be very careful when you are dealing with offshore holdings. If you have any questions, leave your comment here in our YouTube channel, or check our website www.fastcpaconsultants.com.